Huh?
Mẹ.
The farm animals.
Bật đây.
No, farm animals.
Bật đây. Bật đây.
Okay, you say?
Bật đây.
You say?
Bật đây.
What animal is this? Wow, so what animal say? Whoa, whoa! What animal is this?
Cock.
It's a dog. Wow, what color is a dog? Tom ơi, what color is a dog? No? What color is a dog? Okay, your turn, Wahami. Do you want to say speak aloud? What animal is a dog? Hami?
It's a dog. A dog.
What color is a dog?
Yellow. It's yellow and orange.
It's a yellow dog, okay? How many legs does a dog have?
1, 2,
4 legs.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so you say?
And your foot is a dog.
You say the dog has 4 legs. You say again?
Mẹ cho đây cho you mẹ kìa.
Okay, you say again? Để cho chị ngồi đây. The dog has 4 legs. You say again?
A dog has 4 legs.
Yeah, the dog has 4 legs. Wow, Tom ơi, what animal is this? The
pig.
Yeah, what does the pig say? Hey, what color is the pig?
A pig.
Yeah, what color is the pig? What color is the pig?
A pig.
Yeah, I know, but what color is it? Pig, pink or red?
Pig.
The pig is pink.
Pin.
Oh, what is the
Pin.
Now, Tom ơi, listen.
Pin.
What is the pig doing? The pig is sitting on the grass. Okay. Now, next. Wow! Chokadoo. What animal is this? What animal is this? Can you say? Tom ơi, what animal? Okay. It's how is the weather?
Mẹ cho cái chấm đó mẹ.
Stormy.
Mommy. Windy.
Windy and stormy. Okay. Now.
Cái chấm.
It's raining outside. Okay. Now what animal is this? Do you want to speak or mommy will call sister? Okay. Your turn or sister? Do you want to answer my question? Tom, do you want to answer my questions? Now, okay. Now, Tom ơi. Now, pay attention. Yes. Nào, đừng gõ. The chicken.
A chicken.
Yes. How many legs does the chicken have? How many legs does the chicken have? The chicken has 2 or 4 legs.
1, 2.
So you say?
2 and have a chicken.
No, you say the chicken has
2 legs or more chicken.
No, you say the chicken has 2 legs.
The chicken of 4 legs.
Wow, what animal is this?
Yeah.
The goat. Wow, what animal is this? What animal gives the milk?
Cow.
The cow. What does the letter start with the cow? Letter C. What does the letter C make sound?
Chín chắn.
What does the letter C make sound? Wow! What animal is this? It's a duck. What letter start with the duck?
D.
What does the letter D make sound?
D. D.
D. D.
D. D.
Ah, what color is a duck?
Yellow.
Yeah. What does the duck say?
Quack, quack.
Yes. Can you point the legs of the the legs of the duck?
Y, U, L, two, Z, our top.
The duck had 2 legs. You say again?
Ở chỗ là two legs.
Yeah, very good. And the wing. Here is the wings of the duck.
Ở top.
Wow, what animal is this?
Sheep.
Yeah, it's a sheep. Very good. The
Animal.
Yeah, what animal is this?
Shark.
Yeah, good job. The
Ủa thì đó là chó vậy?
what animal is eating grass?
Cow.
Yeah, good job. And here, what animal is this?
Sheep.
Wow, good job. And how about this one?
Ở chỗ đất này.
Here. What animal is this?
Ở chỗ ngoài này.
Yes. Flower. What animal is this?
Cat.
Yeah, which one?
Dâu.
Yes. This one?
Pig.
Yes.
Chim. Chicken.
Yeah, they are live in the
Jungle.
where are they live?
Đi ăn áo.
The farm or the jungle?
Ở jungle.
Are you sure?
Đi ăn ở zoo.
No, the zoo. No, it's not live in. They don't live in the zoo. They are live on the farm.
Đi ăn ở farm.
They are live on the farm. The duck, the dog, the pig, the goat, the sheep, and the chicken live on the farm.
Mẹ có trong kem con vịt mẹ.
Which one do you like? Which one do you like?
Mẹ, con chim con vịt, chim con bò.
Yeah.
Con này, con này, con này, con này, con này nữa.
Dad, you want to
A farm.
Do you like the cow?
No.
Do you like the dog?
No.
Do you like the pig?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? Why do you like the pig?
I like a dog.
You like a duck?
Yeah.
Yes, it's very cute. Okay.